Hi guys, in this video, we're going to practice fitting cabinets with Properties tool, or Generate Fitting tool, or with Fitting tool. Let's get started with the first one. Firstly, for Oneclick components, we can use Properties tool to generate fitting. Select Properties, then select the frame. In Fitting tab, tick Generate Fitting, and then select the fitting type in the box. To change another type of fitting, just select another type in the box. For label, tick to generate label and select a type for edge banding. Also for groove, for example, for this frame, I create a back groove. If there are doors in a cabinet, tick the box to not generate door connectors. And to do all edge banding, also tick the box. So this blue color is for edge banding. And here we've got the mark for the back groove. If I move a panel, for example, this top sheet, then you can see that the connectors will go along. Next, if we create adjustable shelves, then in Adjustable Dowels, select the type. Now if I divide a cabinet horizontally with adjustable shelf, then adjustable dowels will be created for the shelf. Next, for all kinds of components such as one-click components or exploded components, we can do fitting automatically. Select the cabinets and then select Auto Generate Connector. Select the options to be done. For example, Auto Generate Connector, Edge Banding, and Create Groove. To do all edge banding or not generate connectors for door, then tick the boxes. Select the types below. And in case I select dog bone, then to generate connectors at the corner of the cabinets, tick Connect at the corner. Then hit Execute. And you can see the result on the corner. So edge banding, dog bone connector, and back groove. To change the type of fitting, just select the cabinets again and regenerate connectors automatically. So here is edge banding, connector cam lock, and back groove. Lastly, we can use Fitting tool to fit the cabinets manually or adjust the connectors of Oneclick components. Select the tool, Fitting tool. First, we can create multi-holes. Tick the box, then select the fitting type, cabinet for example. Then click on the tool panels. The new connectors will replace the old ones automatically. Next, we can create multi-holes with an exact number. For example, 3 connectors. In the box, type in the number. Then also select the type and click on the tool panels. Or even 4. This is just for demonstration. Besides, we can also create multi-holes with distance from edge. So tick the box, create multi-holes, and then in the box distance from edge, type in the distance, 100 for example. Then select the type. Next, we can create a single connector. Untick the checkbox, then select the type, and click on the tool panels. If we click near which edge, then the distance is from that edge. Type in the distance on the keyboard, 250 for example. Then hit Enter key. And for edge banding, just select the type. If the edge has been banded already, and you click on it again, then it will be removed. Click again, then it will be banded. If I want to do all edge banding, tick the box, select the type, then select the panel to do all edge banding. This one, for example, to remove the old edge banding, and click on it again to do all edge banding. To make groove, select the tool, select the type for groove, then select the panels that we create a groove for, this one and this back panel and a bottom panel, then this side panel and this back panel. So here we've got the groove. So with one-click tools, we can easily generate fitting very fast and precisely. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos.